Okay, so starting off, my hair is probably about 80% dry. Like under here it's still pretty wet, but all of this is just really frizzy and scary. It's honestly huge. Okay, so to start off first, I am just using the blow dry attachment, and I'm just going to be flipping my hair up and just blow drying the roots. I just really want to get some good volume in here. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing 2 sections today. So I'm just gonna go like right above my ears. And I like to do pretty thick sections when I'm using the curler attachment versus when I use the straight. But for now, this is totally fine. So I'm just gonna start off using the small one. I am honestly still getting the hang of this, and it's like, it's not hard, it's just different than you think. Sometimes I like wrap it like a wand, but I'm just trying this out. Be sure that you turn the Dyson off before you let the curl out. Don't like, while it's still heating, pull the curl out, otherwise it's going to pull really quickly. So I just let those cool and set. I like a looser, sort of beachier wave, so I don't love them to be like perfectly structured. At this point, the curls just kind of look like George Washington. Then I'm just kind of like finger combing through each layer, and you can do different curls for different, if you want like more dimension, but you can see this section where like my natural curl is kind of coming through. I'm just gonna go over that one more time. It's so smooth. So smooth. Looks good. Let's do the other side. Have you guys seen that meme where it's like the girl he tells you not to worry about versus me? No? Okay. I always think about that meme. We are moving on to the top section. Hello? Okay. So for these bangs that I, yes, did cut myself, I'm using this guy. I'm just kind of gonna hold it to cool. I look like a pageant queen. No shame. I was once a pageant girl. I don't want to talk about it. Okay, we will come back to these later. I am just going to go in with some of these like pieces where I have my natural curl kind of ruining the pattern of the curl, and just redo those pieces. I'm also going to take my bangs like this. Oops, that's backwards. And just give them like a little bit of a kink like that. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side, and then I will be back with you guys. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Very, very voluminous, like extremely. Just for like going out purposes, I like to personally tuck my little bangs behind my ears just because I don't love the length that they are. And then I just kind of like to leave it like this. Depending on what I'm doing and the weather, I can sleep on this and it will last me a couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.